Library Manager Export option. The new Library Manager Component Export option is an efficient method to share library components with team members and colleagues. It can also be used to back up a library in a single file for security. Sharing tested and validated components using this tool ensures standardization of components across the team. If a team member edits their component, it will only affect their library and can be quickly recovered. Here we illustrate exporting a single component. In the Library Manager, select the Components tab and the source library. Select the component and click the Export button. A pop-up window now lists the component name, schematic and PCB symbols that will be included in the export file, along with the library shown in brackets from where they will be copied. The Export To shows the destination and file name to be used. Should you wish to change the destination or file name, click the Browse button and update as required. Here we leave everything as is. On the Export window, click OK to save the file. This file can now be sent to other users to be imported, which will be illustrated later. In this next example, we illustrate exporting multiple components. The export window now displays everything that will be in the exported library file. Clicking on any component highlights the symbols that are associated with that component. In this instance, as we have multiple components, we click the Browse button and rename the export library file. Save the new file name and destination, and then back at the Export window, click OK to generate the file. We now illustrate importing the file, which is simply drag and drop. On the Component tab, select the destination library. From Windows File Explorer, select the required exported library file and drag it onto the destination library. A new Import window opens. Check and change the library destinations as required and click OK to complete the transfer. As shown, the components are complete and ready to be used with all the exported values and symbols in the destination folders. We now illustrate an example where a colleague sent an export file that I wish to save to a new library. The file contains a set of SMD resistors available from RS components. In the Library Manager Components tab, click the New Library button. Provide a name for the component library. Repeat these steps for the PCB symbols and schematic symbols libraries. Back to the Component tab, open Windows File Explorer and drag and drop the exported library to the destination library. The new window shows the library contents. Click OK to import. We now have a comprehensive library of SMD resistors, along with the values, which includes the RS part number, manufacturer's part numbers, stock, price, and datasheet links.